JJC Library has created a new instruction tool for professors to use in their online classes. 10-minute tutorials provide micro-learning opportunities on a variety of information literacy skills and library research topics, including selecting a topic, Boolean operators, and how to be a digital citizen. To include a 10-minute tutorial in your online class, go to library.jjc.edu/10-minute tutorials. Click on eTutorial. Copy and paste the link to the tutorial into your course. When a student clicks on the link, the tutorial will provide a step-by-step learning experience with short videos and hands-on activities for understanding and applying important concepts and skills. During the tutorial, students will enter their name. At the end, students will be prompted to email a certificate of completion using their professor's email to receive credit. JJC librarians are here to support you, your students, and your class assignments. We appreciate your feedback and collaborating with you on creating new tutorials for your classes and assignments. Please email librarian@jjc.edu with your questions, comments, and ideas.